Welcome to our hands-on guide to the HELLO-NET Owner site. HELLO-NET Owner's site allows you to quickly check the operational status of your Tadano machines. You can customize this machine list as you like, based on your specific tasks. For instance, if you're responsible for maintenance, you can set up alerts for crane inspection and travel distance. This customization helps you intuitively understand the condition of each machine, operating status and location. You can also check more detailed machine information. For example, you can get hints to make the machine's daily work more efficiently by showing daily operation data on a monthly basis. Also, the tracking function can be used to optimize dispatch of machines. Remote support on machine error. By using HELLO-NET Owners, if an error occurs on a machine, workers who are not even on the site can immediately check the details of the error and the latest location of the machine. Other features in HELLO-NET Owners. HELLO-NET Owners offers a variety of functions that allow you to comfortably manage your Tadano machines. By making use of HELLO-NET Owners, let's create a great future with Tadano.